If your team needs bulk blockchain data, traversing through an API isn't going to cut it. You need historical exports, decoded and structured, ready to load into your warehouse. Moralis Datashare lets you export massive blockchain datasets directly to S3 in minutes instead of days. Raw, decoded, on-chain data, straight to your S3 bucket. What you're looking at here is the Moralis Datashare dashboard, capable of exporting mass blockchain data across native and various L2 EVM chains at enterprise-level scale. Download mass wallet activity, token transfers, swap events, and so much more with this powerful new tool. Welcome back to another video. Let's break down how the Moralis Datashare works. Quick context, Moralis is a full crypto data layer. There are 4 ways to interact with on-chain data, such as fetch, monitor, export, and index. Datashare is the export pillar. While data APIs let you fetch data on demand, and streams let you monitor events in real time, Datashare is built for bulk blockchain data exports at scale. Datashare gives you a fast way to pull large historical datasets without paginating through the API. Select your chain, pick your dataset type, set your date range, and export directly to S3 or any S3 compatible storage. No build-in custom indexers and no managing node infrastructure. Just bulk blockchain data landing in your bucket, ready to load to your warehouse. Datashare's capabilities are constantly expanding and growing. Currently, it supports 5 dataset types, such as token transfers for ERC20 movements across wallets and contracts, native transfers for ETH, Matic, BNB, and other native currency transactions, NFT transfers for ERC721 and ERC1155 ownership changes, swaps for DEX trading activity, and liquidity events for LP additions and removals. Each dataset comes decoded and structured. You're not getting raw hex dumps. The data is ready for fetching the moment it's loaded to your warehouse. Let's go through a typical Datashare export flow. First, you select your chain, and then your dataset type that you want to export. Now choose your date range and the address that I want. And next, your output format, and select your S3 bucket that you set up ahead of time. And now we can get an estimate. Before you hit export, the estimator shows you exactly how much data you're pulling from the blockchain and how much it will cost. Datashare uses a per gigabyte pricing model, so you know the cost up front before running the export button. Just a quick note, ensure that your S3 bucket details are correctly set up before hitting export. But once you are ready, hit the export button and watch the data start flowing. What used to take APIs days of pagination now happens in seconds. So where does this all fit into production? Some examples include business intelligence. Pull historical on-chain data into your warehouse and join it with internal metrics. Track transaction volumes, wallet growth, and token flows alongside your existing dashboards. Analytical platforms that power institutional-grade analytics with complete historical datasets. Backfill months or years of blockchain data in a single export. And AI and machine learning. Export large, structured datasets for training models. Decoded swaps, transfer histories, and liquidity events, all ready for your ML pipelines, and so much more coming. Quick recap, Moralis Datashare lets you export bulk historical blockchain data directly to S3. 5 dataset types, token transfers, native transfers, NFT transfers, swaps, and liquidity events, decoded and structured, priced per gigabyte, and exported in minutes instead of days. If your team needs blockchain data at warehouse scale without crawling through an API, Datashare gets it there in bulk. Check it out today at moralis.com/datashare and subscribe so you don't miss another video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.